Welcome to Shiva's Grow Garden. We provide tips and information on growing large plants in small containers right from your balcony using our supreme plant nutrients. Learn the secrets of vegan gardening and discover how you too can grow any type plant without using any chemicals or animal products. So let's get down to the source of things and learn the secrets of vegan gardening success. But before we do, please give us a thumbs up because I know you're going to like this. Don't forget to subscribe to get all our latest videos and hit that notification button, please. Thank you.
Hey y'all, welcome back. In this follow-up video, I'm going to break down to you the nutrients that I used for the last video. As we all know, plant life, half of plant life happens underground, right? And that is why it is important to have a rich and biodiverse soil. So to prep this soil, this is what I did for aeration, alright? I already had my compost, which consists of fresh and dried fruits and vegetables like apples, bananas, potatoes, beets, and red onions, right? All of the ones that are high in amino acids and growth hormones. Then we had a cocoa coir. It was buffed, which means that you have to soak it in a solution of calcium and magnesium for 12 to 24 hours. Because cocoa has absolutely no nutrients in it, so you have to add some. But for more information on this, go to cocoforcannabis.com. Right, these guys can tell you everything you need to know. Then we added a gallon of perlite, which is, as we all know, made of volcanic stone. It's a natural product. It's lightweight, sterile. It's easy to handle. We added 6 cups of pumice stone. Okay, pumice is primarily silicon dioxide with some aluminum oxide and traces of other types of oxides in it. I don't know exactly what, but okay. It can be used for any type of soil. Will not affect the pH balance, and it does not powder like perlite does. Then we added Shiva's Soil Saver. This is fermented and dried fruits, grains, and vegetables, right? Soy, oats, quinoa, and spelt. These are the 4 main grains that we use for all of our products and all of our plants. They are high in the 3 P's, let's say it like this: phosphorus, potassium, and protein. Contains all 9 essential amino acids in high quantities, and growth hormones like auxins, gibberellins, proline, tryptophan, which is the feel-good hormone, silica, and also a slow release. So we added some calcium in the form of dolomite. Dolomite has about 60% calcium, about 40% magnesium. Magnesium helps plants to convert light into energy. We had limestone, 1 cup of limestone, which is basically there to, correct the soil's pH level. We added a cup of calcium. Calcium is used to prevent various types of diseases, such as powdery mildew, black spot, blossom end rot, and many more. It also helps to manage low calcium levels and promote the intake of nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. We also added Epsom salt, which is a source of magnesium. Besides helping plants convert light into energy, magnesium helps to promote chlorophyll molecules in plant tissue. If Mg is deficient, are not there, this will result in poor and stunted plant growth. Then we added a couple of choline, with magnesium and sulfur, right? This consists of potassium oxide, magnesium oxide, and sulfur, which all three helps to promote chlorophyll in plant tissue, right? Sulfur is also used for the formation of amino acids, proteins, and oils. So then we did something for the nutrient intake, right? We added a cup of citric acid, right? Citric acid helps plants absorb nutrients more efficiently and increase biomass, right? It enhances plant growth, photosynthesis, and also help keep bugs at bay. This is very good stuff. Then we added lemon peel, lemon, orange, grapefruit, right? Peels are all good sources of nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. By adding citrus peels to acidify your compost, it makes it even better for your plants. It also helps to keep the bugs at bay. Then we added a cup of mycorrhizal fungi, which is a root stimulant that is a beneficial root stimulant for root development. It forms a symbiotic relationship with the root and the plants, right? And it's also good for plant shock. It's good for that. And we added aloe vera powder, right? Aloe vera contains plant hormones that help stimulate root growth and development. It also aids in seed germination and can be used to ease or prevent transplant shock. Then we added growth hormones in the form of kelp meal. Kelp, as we all know, is seaweed, and it's a natural product, but it contains lots of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are all essential for plant growth and development. We also added alfalfa meal, right? Alfalfa is a slow release, which means that it will be available for your plants at a later stage, but it contains 8 of the 9 essential amino acids that are available for plants, right? Alfalfa is also a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. Last but not least, we added Big Bang, the Shiva product. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, auxins, gibberellins, and proteins, which are the premier growth hormones for all plants, and will keep them going strong and looking healthy the natural way. Altogether, it contains 21 amino acids that are available for plant growth and development. So this combination of nutrients and minerals will give your soil the necessary fertility and biodiversity that it needs to feed and sustain your plants for a long time, saving you loads of money and time as well. So that about wraps it up. We'll see you in the next video, so you guys take care of yourself, take care of each other. Ciao bello.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, we're concerned with growing plants from your balcony chemically free and getting the best results that you can. Our products will help you achieve this goal. And as you can see, our plants thrive on Shiva's Grow nutrients. So why not join our master class to get the rest of the story on caring for plants organically and see how we do it here at Shiva's. So stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and get access to our merch, discounts on our products, books, tools, and much, much more. Thank you.